Hello friends, today I am going to teach about geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. Geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. First we consider on polynomial. How to identify a polynomial? Polynomial is an algebraic expression in which power of variable is only whole number. Whole number you know already 0, 1, 2, 3, dot means 0 and all counting numbers are called whole numbers. Every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Every algebraic expression is not a polynomial. But every polynomial is an algebraic expression. See, these all are algebraic expressions. Algebraic expression, the combination of variable and constant is called an algebraic expression. The combination of variable and constant with mathematical operation plus, minus, into and divide. These all are mathematical operations. 2x can be written as 2 into x. 2 is constant, x is variable, into sign of multiplication, mathematical operation. So we can define an algebraic expression, the combination of variable and a constant with mathematical operation is called the algebraic expression. An algebraic expression in which power of variable is whole number is called polynomial. Power of variable, see, power of x is 1, 1 is whole number, so 2x is polynomial. Power of x is 1, it is also polynomial. Root x, under root x. Under root x can be written as exponent x to the power 1 upon 2. 1 upon 2 is not whole number. So root x is not a polynomial. 2x square plus 5x minus 6. Power of variable is 2, so it is a polynomial. Here power of variable is 1. There is also a variable minus 6 can be written as 6 into x to the power 0. 0 is also whole number. 1 upon x square plus 1 is not a polynomial because 1 upon x square plus 1 it is inverse of x square plus 1. It is reciprocal of x square plus 1 and x square plus 1 to the power minus 1. This is inverse of x square plus 1, so power minus 1 and minus 1 is not whole number, so 1 upon x square plus 1 is not a polynomial. Y to the power 1 by 2 plus 2 it is also not polynomial because 1 by 2 is not a whole number. So to identify the polynomial, only power of variable should be always whole number. If power of variable is not whole number, so algebraic expression is not a polynomial. Okay, now come on geometrical meaning of zeros of a polynomial. Polynomial is denoted by px, fx, tx, gx, qx, rx, etc. Px stands for y. Px is equal to x plus 1, suppose. It means y is equal to x plus 1. Now y is equal to x plus 1, which is polynomial equation, and you know the power of variable. If degree of variable is polynomial is 1, degree of polynomial is 1, that is called linear polynomial. So y is equal to x plus 1, it is linear polynomial. कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ नंबर ऑफ जीरोस फाइंड आउट करने के लिए अगर कोई भी ग्राफ एक्स एक्सिस को जितना बार कट करता है उतना नंबर ऑफ जीरोस होगा। ये ग्राफ है, इसका भी कोई भी पॉलिनोमियल का ग्राफ हो सकता है, तो इसमें जितना बार एक्स एक्सिस को कट करता है ना जितना पॉइंट पर उतना इसका नंबर ऑफ जीरोस हो जाएगा। 1 2 3 4 5 नंबर ऑफ जीरोस 5। अगर ग्राफ दिया होगा किसी भी पॉलिनोमियल का तो जीरो फाइंड आउट करने का सिंपल प्रोसेस है। तो देख लीजिए एक्स एक्सिस को कितना बार कट करता है उतना ही उसका नंबर ऑफ जीरो हो जाएगा। दिस इज a straight line and it intersects the x axis at single point, so number of zero is 1. Number of zero is 1. Now try to understand how linear polynomial has one degree. Y is equal to x plus 1. To draw a graph of an equation, at least 2 points are required. First on the x axis and second on the y axis. X, y. On the x axis, the coordinates of a point is of the form x comma 0. On the y axis, the coordinates of a point is of the form 0 comma y. Y is equal to x plus 1. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. If x is equal to 1, or y is equal to 0, y is equal to 0, then x is equal to minus 1. Now draw a graph. X, x dash, y, y dash. 0 1 0 1 is on the y axis, minus 1 comma 0, this point is on the x axis, minus 1 comma 0 and 0 1. Graph C. Graph of this linear polynomial is a straight line. Graph of linear polynomial is a straight line, and it intersects the x-axis at single point, that is minus 1 comma 0. So linear polynomial has one zero, only one zero. Number zero is one. Polynomial. Graph of linear equation is also a straight line, because if any polynomial has sign of equality, that is called equation. Second, geometrical meaning of quadratic polynomial. General form of quadratic polynomial is ax square plus bx plus c. Ax square plus bx plus c. This is general form of quadratic polynomial. And general form of linear polynomial is ax plus b. Ax plus b. If ax plus b is equal to 0, then ax is equal to minus b, or x is equal to minus b upon a. So ax plus b intersects the x-axis at minus b upon a into 0. This is a point or negative direction of x-axis, and minus b upon a is the 0 of linear polynomial ax plus b. Ax is equal to ax square plus bx plus c is a quadratic equation, and quadratic polynomial has at most two zeros. Suppose any quadratic polynomial is Ex is equal to x square, and second one is Ex is equal to minus x square, third one is Ex is equal to x square plus 1. There are two examples of quadratic polynomial. Px is equal to x square, that is y is equal to x square, px is equal to minus x square, that is y is equal to minus x square, and px is equal to x square plus 1, that is y is equal to x square plus 1. Y is equal to x square, x, y. If x is equal to 0, so y is equal to also 0. Y is equal to x square. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to also 0. If x is equal to 1, then y is equal to also 1. If x is minus 1, so y is plus 1 minus 1 square 1. So graph of quadratic polynomial is, see, x dash y dash. This is origin. Points are 0 0 and 1 1, minus 1 and 1. Minus 1 and 1, see 1, minus 1, 0 0, this is 1 1, there is 1, and this is minus 1. Minus plus in the second quadrant, plus in the first quadrant, 0 0, origin. So graph of like this. Name of this figure is parabola. Graph of linear polynomial is a straight line, but graph of quadratic polynomial is parabola. There are two types of parabola, upward and downward parabola. When upward parabola comes and when downward parabola comes, see, if the coefficient of x square is positive, then upward parabola. This is upward parabola. If the coefficient of x square is negative, then downward parabola. See how downward parabola. X, y, if x is equal to 0, y is 0. If x is equal to minus 1, x is equal to minus 1, so minus square is plus 1 and minus is already minus 1. If x is equal to 2, x is equal to minus x square. If x is equal to 2 square is 4, x is minus 4. X is equal to 2 and it is minus 4. Minus 0, 0, origin and minus 1 and minus 1. Minus 1 and minus 1 in the third quadrant. In the third quadrant, minus 1 and minus 1 here is, and 2 comma minus 4 plus and minus in the fourth quadrant, plus and minus in the fourth quadrant. So graph y is equal to minus x square is downward parabola. This is downward parabola. So there are two types of parabola, upward and downward. If coefficient of x square is positive, then upward parabola, and if coefficient of x square is negative, then downward parabola. Every quadratic polynomial, graph of every quadratic polynomial do not touch the origin. See, if px is equal to x square plus 1, that is y is equal to x square plus 1. To draw the graph, at least 2 points we find x, y. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 1. X is equal to 0. If x is equal to 0, then y is equal to 0 square plus 1 and 0 square 0 plus 1 is equal to 1. This is the first point. If y is equal to 0, then x square plus 1 is equal to 0 and x minus 1 is equal to x square. X square is equal to minus 1. This is x square is equal to minus 1, means value of x is not real, it is imaginary. So take another point. Y is equal to x square plus 1. Suppose y is equal to 5. Y is equal to 5. Then 5 is equal to x square plus 1. And 5 minus 1 is equal to x square. 4 is equal to x square. So x is equal to plus minus 2. Plus minus 2. X is equal to plus minus 2. If y is equal to 5, then plus minus 2. 2, 5 is in the first quadrant. Both coordinates are positive. 0, 1. 0, 1 is on the y-axis, positive direction of y-axis, and see coefficient of x square is positive, so graph will be upward parabola, and it will pass through the 0, 1. This is on the positive direction of y-axis. 0, 1. This is graph of y is equal to x square plus 1. Graph of cubic polynomial is not having the unique shape, and there is no special name for cubic polynomial. Thank you students for watching my video.